Hello, my name is Gabriel from Gabac USA. In this video we are going to start with the process of changing the LCD from this Samsung S4. Of course it's Galaxy S4. So here we have the brand new screen. As we can see here, we can see like a little lines, is like some sort of difficult to see. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, here you see the line. Here is broken, so when you turn it off, when you turn it on, you will see the light here, but there will not come anything on the screen. So what we have to do is to remove the back plastic. Then we have to remove all the screws that we have here. So we're going to start removing all the screws. You need a Phillips screwdriver, as we can see here. All the screws are the same, so don't worry if you mixed it up. Of course we have to remove the battery. So this process is very easy. If you have a screen that is broken but the LCD works fine, you can replace just the Gorilla Glass. I have another video that I show you how to do that process. Of course, that will be more difficult than changing the screen. If you want something easy to fix, do it the way I'm doing it. It will be a little bit more expensive, but you need less skills than for changing the whole screen. Okay, the last one. If you want to protect the phone, don't buy this piece of plastic. It doesn't protect anything. Usually when the phone falls, it will be open and it's not good. I mean, if you want to buy something good, buy an outer box protector. That is the best of its kind. Okay, now we are going to need the screw. Now we are going to need the blade from here. So of course, always be careful. Okay, be careful with the flex, but in this case this flex is broken. I mean, the flex is okay because the screen is the one that's broken, but if you have like another piece of cables like this, you may break it. So be careful when you use a blade like this. If it is the first time that you do this kind of job, try to use this tool. It's much better to avoid any damage. Okay, now we have to remove all the parts here, because we have to put all these electronics, we have to transfer them over here. So we have to remove everything. Here we have like a little adhesive. Now we have to move to put it in the right place, so it will glue when we put the little electronic thing here. This is the pin connector, or whatever you want to call it. We have to remove everything. So we are going to unplug the antenna, the LCD. Also we have to remove all these flex from here, all the plugs. You see, this is from the camera, from the sensor, also here on the earphone jack. Okay, we are going to remove all we can. Just be careful, don't do much pressure, try not to break anything. In this case we have to remove this piece of metal. Okay, once it come out, we can proceed with the rest. Everything is glued, so if you do a little pressure, it should come out very easily. If it is kind of hard, what you can do is just warm it up with a heat gun or hair dryer, whatever you have next to your hand. Okay, now we can unplug this. There you go. Okay, we can put it back in the other place. You will see the little pins, so it will guide you the way it goes, so don't worry about that. If you have to, just put some glue beneath it so it will stay, but it's no big deal because when we put all the plastic and everything back where it belongs, it should stay. So we are going to use this brand of glue. It's like universal glue. It's good, it's made in Germany, so don't use any super glue or anything like that, or it will melt the circuit. Just be careful with that. Okay, now we can plug it back again, all the things. Now we are going to remove the antenna. Try to put the antenna in the same place. Just follow like the little ditch that you have here, you see? Okay. Now we are going to put the connector here. Just be very careful. It's very fragile. Okay, you should stay there. Now we are going to try to remove the rest. So we are going to remove the last screw here, one of the last, because here we have the black one. Just these are like a special size, so don't mix it up with the rest. The other ones are all the same, so keep it the way it is. Great, now we can put it the way it is here, but before doing that we have to remove another piece like this. You see, it goes here. Okay, now we have to remove the camera and the earphone or earpiece. There we go. Here we have a like little piece of metal that we can remove, and we have to remove the viber. Okay. Now this is kind of difficult the first time that you do it, but just you have to keep doing pressure on one side until you can remove it. Okay, now we have it. Just a little pressure here and it should come out. Okay, great, we have done it. Now we are going to do it, and we are going to put it here. Okay, it's still a little sticky on the back of the base of the vibrator, so it should stay there. Now we have to put the camera, the frontal camera here. I can put the rest of the things, like the sensor and everything. So remember, the little black screw goes here and the other one goes here. Now we have to put the mainboard. Just remember not to crush any connector here. You can see sometimes it may happen if you don't pay attention, so be very cautious with this. Now we have to put everything back the way it was. Pay attention so it will click. When you listen to the click, it's because it's in the right place. Pay attention that you will put it in the right connector, that it will not bend the leg or anything like that. Now we have to put this piece of metal that will hold the sensor and the camera and everything. As you can see, it's going well. We are going to put the black screw. As you can see, it goes here. Great. Now we're going to connect the screen, and away you go. Okay, now we have to put the last piece of metal here that holds the circuit on the base of the frame. So almost done. We have to connect the antenna here. Remember to connect it, everything. Antenna is very important. The phone will work if you connect it or not, but you will not be able to make any phone call, or you won't have any good reception. So pay attention to that. Okay. Just remember to leave the cable where it goes. Otherwise, if the cable start coming out, you may damage with the bezel here. So try to keep everything in place. See if everything works. Here, the screw goes here from the earphone jack. So remember, if you doubt because you see two holes, try to put the plastic here and you will see where it goes each hole. So when you put it like that, you should not be able to see any screws below the hole. So that is the way you can test that everything will be okay. So once you have done, you start pushing all the corners until you start hearing all the clicks. Okay, we should be able to go now. Now we are going to try the phone before putting the screws, and if everything works okay, the work is done. Okay, the phone seems to be working fine. We have to try everything, the camera, the touch and everything. Okay, the touch works just fine, as we can see. We're going to shut it down. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, Just leave a comment below in the comment section, and see you in the next video.